You said something very interesting about seed cycling, and I really want to know what seed cycling is.
Okay, so I'll just give you a gist. So basically, there are two phases. One, day 1 to day 14 of a woman's period, that is the follicular stage, and then we come to the luteal stage of the cycle, like the menstrual cycle, which is 1 to 28 days. So day 1 to day 14, which is the follicular stage, at this point of time, estrogen is the prominent hormone, like which really leads to all these needs to normal menstruation in women. So at this point of time, through seeds like flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, we can provide the correct hormonal balance, because flax seeds have phytoestrogens in them, which boost up the estrogen in the body. Again, the pumpkin seeds, they have zinc in them, which help them prepare for the next part of the cycle. Again, from day 15 to day 20, I recommend that you consume sesame and sunflower seeds. Sesame and sunflower seeds, again, at this point of time, the hormone which is of dominance in a woman's body is progesterone. And a PCOS patient essentially suffers from low levels of hormones correctly timed in the body. So at this point of time, if you consume these seeds, the hormonal support is adequate. And again, after day 28, you take it as day 1. And then again, day 1 to day 14, you continue consuming flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. Again, day 15 to day 28, you go on to consuming the other two, which is sesame and sunflower. So at correct points of time, you are giving yourself correct hormonal support naturally. But this needs to happen at least for 3 to 4 months. You need to do this, because anything natural takes time to work. You can't expect, I did it one cycle and it never happened. Or a few women come to me saying that if you have PCOS, your cycles are very irregular. How do I know it's day 1? Day 1 to aata hi nahi hai. I have to keep waiting. So for them, what we do is you follow the cycle of the moon. So day 1 to day 14 according to the moon cycle, day 15 to day 28 according to the moon cycle. And slowly, if you keep going at it, you will see a difference, because you're giving the correct hormone support. Like all the medicines are going to do this. We don't ask them to stop the medications, but anything medicine oriented is for a certain time frame only. And this is something which is harmless.
Of course.
For any hormonal imbalances, in fact, you can do seeds. Because what does it actually mean? That your body is not producing the correct hormone in correct quantities at the correct time. So if we give ourselves that support, eventually the change will come around. So I very strongly suggest that you consume seeds, because in real quantities you get a powerhouse of nutrition. So you're having pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds and flax seeds and sesame seeds. You have nothing to lose.
It's very interesting because it's also locally available.
Locally
and it's so affordable. I think
Sure.
It's a great advice for couples.